If you want people to watch your business videos, how much YouTube should you be watching a day to know what the heck you're talking about? Well, today I'm going to tell you. Hey.com! Hey, it's Dane Golden from Hey.com. This is the channel where we help you share your expertise and grow your customer community through video. So whether you're a video content marketer, an inbound marketer, an account-based marketer, demand generation, click that subscribe button and then get notified by clicking the bell so you don't miss all the goodies. And don't forget, at the end of the video, I'm going to give you a free secret bonus tip. So YouTube's easy, right? Well, let's...
In this video, I'm going to be sharing my 3-step YouTube...
Oh, sorry. I was just watching Sean Cannell. The great thing about YouTube is that it's right at your fingertips, right? You can watch it on your phone from anywhere, and most people do. Most people watch it on their phones. And how much should you watch and where should you watch it? I tell my clients that they should be watching at least 30 minutes every day, 5 days a week, on their phones, because that's the native platform for YouTube now. That's the primary platform. If you really want to understand YouTube for your business, you should be watching 30 minutes every day. You can do this at lunch. You can do this while you're washing dishes, while you're folding laundry, while you're waiting in line at the supermarket. It is a doable thing. And you really need to understand how the platform works, because YouTube, as a video platform, it's different than TV, it's different than Facebook, it's different than Instagram, it's different than Wistia, it's different than Vidyard. YouTube is its own platform. You need to understand the size of the thumbnails, what gets you to click on something, how long you tend to watch something, how close is someone to the camera, are they far away? Are they closer? What's the volume like? What's the tempo like? What do you like to watch? When do you get bored? That's important too. Watch some of your company's own videos and notice how long it takes you to get bored, because if you're bored by that time, everyone else has already left. So really pay attention to that and you'll understand what works on YouTube on this tiny screen. What can I look at here? So I just opened up my home screen here. I've got something from video influencer Sean Cannell. I've got something from Roberto Blake, something from Daryl Eves, some funny TV shows, Tim Schmoyer. I've got a lot of videos that I watch from people I know and I like and I learn from. I know a lot of things that they have to say because they're in my industry. Some of that overlaps. It doesn't hurt to be reminded. You got to understand how people are learning from video, how they're using it, how you use it professionally, and you got to be on there at least 30 minutes a day, if not longer. Now, it's important, of course, that you understand your data plan, right? And maybe you need to do this on Wi-Fi, or maybe it's okay to do while you're not on your own Wi-Fi, right? Because you don't want to have a big bill that you didn't expect. But really understand YouTube. You got to watch it. You got to watch videos to be able to make videos. You really got to understand what's going on. What do you like? What do you dislike? Once you start watching it and watching it on your phone, you'll find out really soon what is good and what is not good. And you'll save a lot of money and expense and headache later on.
$782? That's a great deal!
So the free secret bonus tip today, look at the thumbnails in the suggested videos on your phone's YouTube app, because they show up a lot smaller than they do on your computer screen, and see how they appear, because that is the native environment for YouTube. This gives you a much better idea of how people are going to click and what they're going to click on and what types of thumbnails get attention, and that will help you with your thumbnails. So that's one extra bonus tip. Now also, second bonus tip, never done before, 2 bonus tips today. Watch it the short way. Watch it like this. The videos look bigger when they're like this, but a lot of people never turn their phones. They just watch them like this. And we don't know which way people watch it most of the time. We might assume that they watch it like this, but they may be watching it like this. So watch the videos a little bit like this, the smallest possible way. Then you can see how some people are watching your videos, and that may dramatically change how you shoot them, how you edit them, and what types of videos you do. So that's our second bonus tip for today. And one other thing I've done just for you is I found the video for you to watch next, and I've put it right here. So go ahead and click on that one, and I'll see you next time. Hey.com!